Okay, this is a video to show you how to set up the touchscreen panel, setting for Soundstream 8227 plus 2021 version. Okay, go to the apps, car setting, factory, a password 000000. Okay, then go to touch learning, calibration. Okay, click for the home and press the home icon, back icon, volume plus, volume minus, mute, or set power, up to you. You can choose for the mute or you want to choose for the power icon. Okay, then back to home. Okay, so for left side touchscreen panel setting. Thank you.